Let's welcome Tahni. I am probably going to mess up your last name. I apologize. Tahni J. Nikitins?
Nikitins.
Nikitins. The one J from Springfield.
Woo!
Thanks for coming.
Your education is a fallacy based on fear-mongering. Mongering's fear, like a cloaked beast peeking out from under furry hood with two yellow eyes like coins, atop a bull-horned shaggy monster on clawed gray toes, spear in hand. It does not like education. It does not like expression. The arts, unpredictable, uncontrollable. That which does not have a leash upon it must be muzzled. Prodded, poked, stoked, onward into ignorance, onward into the slobbering masses, onward into anti-intellectual America. Toss us your coins, toss us your coins. You are our ever, ever, everlasting consumer. Onward. And you, puckered-faced, scrotum-lipped, silencing. We prefer the silence to the overbearing dialogue, discussion, might too much critical thinking bear. We are not here to shape strong young for upcoming revolution. We are here to shape young, glazed-eyed, buying into systematic. Do not say its name. To say its name would be to summon it, that wraith which haunts us. Silence be better. Silence better. Silence. Monger's spear rises up, spear in hand. Quiet now, it says, though it has no voice, but a plethora of voices. Fox, MSNBC, CNN, Citizens United, and lobbies and lobbies and lobbies. Quiet now. Wouldn't want to make a scene. It pokes at throats with spear points. Behind it, I see you. I know you. You are not good nor clever. We have caught you red-handed, and we will not be afraid. We will not be silenced. Even the youngest among us will rise up. And you will be powerless to stop us.